In today's video, we are going to install an PHP script 66AIX by Ultim Code. You can purchase it from their website. I are ready. So let's go to installations. What you need to do first, open your file manager of cPanel, any panel you are using. I am using virtual main that I created my own. Let's delete all the stuff first, and then we will go to next step. Go to your public HTML. I'm using notify.grwebdevs.com and subdomain to host this script. Upload to current directory and upload the zip file, and here, and click upload. Until it's uploading, you go to edit databases or create database. You will need to create a new database. So just create a new database, any name, like let's delete this and enable this new one. Delete this now and create a new. Okay, I deleted this, and now I will create a new database to use this. Okay, create a new database and enter their name, database name, like same as previous one, and just click on create. Okay, now here's the file uploaded. Right click on it and extract it. Yes, overwrite. Okay, it's extracting here. Okay, now open the folder, tick all, select all, and cut there, and to public HTML, paste in public HTML. Okay, now open your website, like let's open it, notify. Okay, empty database configuration file. Did you run the installer? Okay, let's run the installer. Install. Okay, it's showing us the installer. Start the installation. Okay, it's require 8.0 to 8.3. so my is 8.0.30. I don't know why it's showing this. Let's move it to 8.3 or 8.2 or upper version, and go to there and to database list, and web configuration, PHP options. Here, if there's no option showing for you in virtual main, that means you did not install them. I installed them separately, so you will need to select and install them, and also their extensions also. Here you can see PHP information, which extensions and which PHP versions are installed in my server. Okay, so let's select 8.3 and click save. After 30 seconds it will change the PHP version. Okay, now just refresh this page and start the installation. Here you can see all tick, all green, next, and database host is, my host is this, and database name, the database name and username and password for the database. And now just this is optional, so you can leave it as empty. Okay, license key, license key. Okay, now finish the installation. Okay, if you see this, that means congratulations, you installed it correctly, and our installation is finished. Let's check it out how it's looking. Okay, ultimate AI assistant, sign up for free. Okay, let's open the admin panel and admin admin. Okay, that's great. Mm, okay, dismiss this notification. Okay, now just let's test it out. Like first of all, what you need to do is set up some things, like go to settings and your title, like uh, mm, yeah, web dev, and logo and other things. The item code dashboard interface is mostly same for their all products. That is great. The user who use one product of their company, he will be easily able to use another one without any errors. Okay, now open API key. So I am pasting the open API key from here to this. I already copied it to this somewhere. Just paste the OpenAI API key and other keys and click update. You can insert multiple OpenAI API keys per line, and the system will randomly choose one on each request. You can also drag it here like this. Then let's just paste it as same as this. Okay, just update it, and now explore other functions. AI images. Okay, it is there. Okay, AI transcripts, AI chats. Okay, and AI synthesis. Okay, that's good. Now in payments we cannot proceed to payments because it does not have the extended license. Other things you can set up, but right now I'm not going to set up these things also. So just go to plans, and I'm going to change the plans things. Like I'm now going to create a new plan and name gold, and description anything you need to write. Monthly price is 000. Okay, and status active. Okay, what these. Okay, and GPT-4o and best let's use this, and AI documents limit and AI words 5000, and AI DALI images it does not have. And let's enter the 10 or 100, and 10 here, uh, 20 here. Any things you can change here. Okay, that's not matter. You can do this thing perfectly are when you are in production mode. I am just testing and showing you how to install it. Okay, API access. If you want to do, just click create. Now it's showing must be less than or equal to 2. Okay, one AF scale images file size limit 2 MB. I don't know why. Okay, let's click create. Our plan is created. Now go to users. Let's create a new user. We're going to log in and this and set the password and then click create. Okay, now let's try to log into this user account and check it out how it works. Okay, first I have to log out. Now click sign in and admin PSS and enter the password and click login. Now it's showing us the dashboard, AI chats. Let's try to chat create general assistant. Okay, create. Okay, just check your plan winning details. Okay, let's check it out. And I think they does not provide now uh, requests uh, with free API keys. Okay, I have to get the API key. You can get your API key and just enter the API key and everything is working fine. Does not need to do anything else other, and you get an SaaS business when you purchase the extended license. Okay, so this is the video in which I show you how to install this 66 AIX PHP script by Altum code, in which you get lots of features. Here you can check it out. There's the feature list and 0 images generated by our users with the AI. When the users generate images, here it will be auto increase these numbers and talk to our AI freely. AI speech to text, AI text to speech, many methods here. Okay, and what is this? Let's try this. This does not work because I don't have credits in the API key. Here it showed the same error. Okay, let's explore the footer. What's in the footer? Ready to level up. Okay, generate AI document. Here's the footer. Here's the dark mode. Okay, that's good. Dark mode is very impressive and very easy to useful. Okay, here's one plan only showing. Okay, Arctic, and just when the user click on choose plan, it show you the registration page and user register and choose the plan again. Okay, it's showing us an beautiful and good looking UI user interface and dashboard. You can see their dashboard. Let us say AI documents, let us say AI images, transcripts and templates, AI chats and projects. Here's your account, API key and other things also. So thanks for watching. I hope you will like it and please share with your friends for more. And if you want me to make a video on a dedicated PHP script installation, I can also do this. Just comment in the below, and or you can also directly message me on my WhatsApp. I will left my number in the description box. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, Allah Hafiz.